Hello everyone, a lead code problem a day. Today our problem is the very first problem in lead code, which is two-sum. Before we start coding, we should clarify what is two-sum, right? That is always the first step for an interview. So two-sum is given an array of integers, return the indices of the two numbers that can add up to a specific target. Let's look at this example. So the numbers contains 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. As we can see, 2 plus 7 equals 9, so we just return the indices of 2 and 7, which is 0 and 1. Okay, so now we know what is two-sum, and let's think about how we solve it. From the perspective of function, the input of this problem is a nums list and a target number, which is written here. So the first solution is actually brute force, right? It's very straightforward. We just use double nested for loops to iterate the left and right, because right should always be larger than left. That's why we have a +1 here, and we check if the left number plus the right number equals target. We return it, and that's it. It's straightforward. Let's analyze the time complexity. So obviously this time complexity is big O(n) squared because we have like two nested for loops here. So can we do better? The answer is of course yes. So basically we can introduce a data structure called dictionary or hash table to store what we have already seen in order to only use one for loop here. So basically we create a scene which stores what we have already seen in the past. And for this algorithm, we use one for loop here, and we check if the target minus numbers I is in the dictionary. We just return this. Else, we put scene nums I equals I. So for a dictionary, we have a key and value. The key is the actual number, and the value is the indices. Because the result, we need the indices. That's why we put the indices as the value in our dictionary. And for this algorithm, the time complexity is only big O(n), because we only have one for loop, and searching in lookup in a dictionary is a constant time. That's it for today. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe my channel. I'll put more interesting videos about algorithms.